Hello friends, today I have just read an article in Economics Time where how one of the retailers has dramatically improves the overall uh, sales growth, overall optimizations of the processes, business functions, right, and employee productivity, and becoming one of the leading retailer in India and abroad. So the particular retailer has done extensively implemented the data analytics and AI and machine learning uh, in across all the business functions and become a very prominent uh, retail leader in the industry. So how they have done, let me share in three aspects. Number one, basically analytics into their business functions that include sales, operations, uh, supply chains, marketing, and so on. Uh, Using the data analytics, they are able to understand the overall the inventory, right, and make sure that all the demand products are available 24 into 7 into their retail stores, and that is exactly possible using data analytics, right? So that's why they are able to do the inventory optimization and make sure that their inventory are never run out for those products which are most demand in the market. Similarly, the sales uh, recommendations, right, pricing optimizations, overall business functions across all the areas, they have extensively used the data and ML and make sure that they are able to take the wise and informative decisions to provide a better customer experience to the overall engagement. So data analytics is one of the key area which they have used for across all the functions in their organization. That includes sales, marketing, supply chain, and operations. Second, they have used extensively into employee productivity. So obviously they have 60,000 retailers across different parts of the country. They have a huge number of sales team. But how can you empower your sales guy to take the informed decisions and have a meaningful conversations with their potential customers, right? That was the key requirement for any organization's leaders. So that is what the retailer that I am referring here is done. They have extensively used the sales recommendations tools by which the sales executive able to understand the different customer segmentations, what kind of demography each of the customer have, and what is the product that uh, they should propose in order to make a meaningful engagement, right? So the sales recommendation tools help them to take a wise and informative decisions, and of course overall engagement become more fruitful and productive. So using that particular tool, they are able to understand the customer segmentations, they are able to understand the customer purchase behavior, they are able to understand the customer preferences and all the demography. Accordingly, they design the product and propose to the end users so that both the parties become profitable, both customer and the retail vendors. This is how the sales recommendation help them. Similarly, they have used this personal chatbot kind of things to constantly upgrade the sales executive about the different products that are available in their retail stores in terms of the different learning wise and in the different queries and the resolutions, and then overall knowledge that require to have a meaningful conversations with their potential stakeholders. That was possible using a knowledge chatbot and make them more enriched all in all, right? So employee productivity was improved remarkably using data and ML driven chatbot and of course the sales recommendation tools. So first, data analytics using across all these functions, that sales, marketing, operation, and so on. That is the one initiative they have taken. Second initiative they have taken, basically employee engagement part, right, where all the employee productivity has improved both in the sales cycle as well as overall knowledge that required any sales person to connect better. And third is basically that retailer used on-prem kind of cloud infrastructure, which required a huge amount of capital investment at the very early stage. But then instead of doing that, they have moved into cloud infrastructure, where cloud infrastructure is largely used as on-demand services, right? Where you start consuming as you start required. So using all this cloud infrastructure, they are not only able to reduce the cost, but also they are able to develop the software quickly and in a efficient manner to the end user and within the organization as well, and become a competitor in the market. So all in all, they have used data and ML driven AI tools across employee productivity area, and then of course optimize their business function, and third, migrated from the on-prem environment to cloud infrastructure, and they have huge benefit they have got in terms of their profit and sustainability. So this is how the overall benefit of data and ML in across the different our industries. Today I have given the example of retailers, but data applies to pharma, data applies to banking, and so on and so forth. I hope this little video will help you to understand how technology is helping across the industries and become a more sustainable, right? With this note, this Nirpa Chetri signing out. See you in the next video. Bye bye.